Hey guys, I'm here with another video. I'm gonna give this person a shout out. This series gameplay is all about furry games. And he had really awesome video games. And I'm still watching more of it. But I know it's a lot, but I'm still watching. Maybe I can see if I can get all done today. Maybe today. I don't know. Might take a long time, but hey, he have a very good, awesome video, and I like watching them. But it takes a very long time. So I just want to give this person a shout out. So, yeah. So, you guys should go and sub to his channel and share and like and comment on his video and tell him you come from my channel. And anyway, I will do another video because I changed my name today. So, yeah, I hope you, I'm doing him a shout out today. So, shout out to Gameplay, awesome video, well, homie, yeah. So, yeah. Alright. Peace out.